What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing our S-Style lip kit on this beautiful ceramic white VB. Before we show you the lip kit, we'll go right into the car first. A lot of white on white, looks super clean. So let's go over his mod list right now. Right in the front we have S-Style version 1 sports grille with some overlays on the headlights. This car's a bit dirty, so he drove 1 hour and 30 minutes here. And then come inside, you can see he has the AFD S-Style fender flares and paint match. Some 57 DR gram lights in white with the black and white sticker. Looks super nice. It's very clean because I haven't seen this car I think for a while now, and he's done a lot of stuff since. He is lowered on. Let me see what kind of coilover those are. He's on bags? Oh, our friend here is on air suspension. Okay, I saw the airlines in the back, so it's like, oh, okay, so we'll back it up later. Oh, perfect, we don't need to raise the car to put it on wraps anymore. In the back, he has our V-Style wing, along with some, oh, these are the new taillights that just came out. Molded Innovation Evo taillights. These are a lot, okay, a lot of guys hit me up to run these same taillights. Let me show you how sick these are. Let me turn off for you real quick. Damn. What do you think, Jerry? Should we do it? Jerry's like mid, but you know, I think it looks pretty sick, you know? Especially with the middle bar that lights up too, that JD Muscle has that, so I think it looks pretty sick. Jerry doesn't like it, but we'll see. We might have it for Subi Festival or BB. But on the bottom, he has our single exit titanium blue F1 catback system, and that's pretty much it. So today, let's go into what we're doing. I think like car is lacking some aero. Obviously the wing looks beautiful, so it's missing some rear, side and front, and I'm gonna show you guys the S-Style lip kit that we're gonna put on today. Okay, so the S-Style lip kit, if you don't know, we sell the V1 and V2 and V3 front lips. We also have the S-Style side skirts, and now we just released our S-Style rear spat. So it's gonna be a full kit. If you have the kit already, like the front and side, you can just order this separately. But for those that want the full kit, there's like a bundle set, easy, ready to go. They will come out with color match, the whole kit later on, but for now it's gonna be gloss black, okay? Check out new rear spats, super sick. 3M with OEM clips, so no drilling. Side skirts, you need some self-tapping screws, and the front self-tapping screws as well. So with this S-Style kit, you can also change up the front too. So when you order, you don't have to order the version 2 lip. You can order with the version 1 or version 3 lip. And same in the future too. If we have a version 2 side skirt and version 2 spats, it'll be all like plug and play to see what you like, you know? So today we'll be doing the V2 front, V1 side, and V1 rear spats. Let's go ahead, air out the car, and let's go get this installed. Alright guys, we just finished the S-Style lip kit. As you can see, it definitely transformed the car. It looks sick, especially when the car is all the way down the floor now. The rear spats definitely gives a huge kick now. For those that don't get a diffuser, you can still opt for the full diffuser that we offer, but you know, for something you want a little more subtle, this is perfect for you to go. Like I said, gloss black option right now. If you want color match, it will be option in the future. Other than that, guys, I think that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. It looks super sick. I'll link everything in the link below. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next episode. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.